Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna show you how to buy Dogecoin on Paybis. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To buy Dogecoin on Paybis wallet, tab open your Paybis application and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you can tap on the buy button displayed on your screen. Before buying any kind of a cryptocurrency, make sure that you have enough balance on your wallet. Now, in the exchange tab, go ahead and select the fiat currency at the top that you would like to use in order to purchase Dogecoin. Select your payment method from the left-hand side of the screen and choose your fiat currency on the right-hand side. Once you choose your fiat currency and your payment method, go to the next field and tap on the BTC drop-down. Now, from the assets displayed on the next page, go ahead and select Dogecoin. Enter the amount of USD you're willing to spend in the first text box. You'll be able to see the number of Dogecoin you'll receive on the next field. Tap on the Buy Dogecoin button at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. If you need to continue buying Dogecoin, tap the Continue button. On the next page, enter your payment details. Enter your card holder's name in the first text box, your card number and expiration date, followed by the 3-digit CVV number. Finally, after you are done entering your details, tap the Pay button and you'll be able to buy Dogecoin with your Paybis wallet. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.